CJ, foul that time. And the first option, 103 all. Can you imagine? May chance pa itong San Miguel na lumamang. And officially, lamang na sila. 25 years old. Thanks to the defensive gem provided by Motautua. And now, yun pa rin ang required ni Motautua. Make this big stop. Sa team, fall away, pasok! It's just a spectacular player. Put down. And the other thing is, didikit yung depensa sa kanya. Johnson, Fajardo, and a look, Perez, Wami, puts it up, no! And that is gonna be